My name is Rob, I'm from Dublin.
Time. So you must have switched my family as well.
Skål, everybody!
Cool.
Drinking Guinness, you want to get into the black stuff, so you're going to...
We'll do this to commemorate the end of World War II.
Fair enough. Sorry. A cold approach. Importantly, we will have a good time here this evening, okay? My name is Rob, I'm from Dublin.
I'm from New Zealand.
Kimberly. New Zealand, wonderful. Bonnie and Tyson from Australia.
Bharat from India.
Bharat from India.
Brandon from the United States.
Brandon's from the US.
Ashley and Corey from Virginia.
Ashley and Corey from Virginia, wonderful.
Matt, Justine, and me.
And Lorena from Germany. Wonderful stuff, my friends, wonderful stuff. Wonderful stuff. We'll wander down now, guys, to the first pub. About a 10-minute walk away, and I'll give you the lay of the land. You can follow me here. Right-hand side to a pub called the Black Sheep. Gonna have a bit of craft beer in the Black Sheep. We'll then tip on down at about 7:15. Down here on the right-hand side, you got Jack Nealon's for a glass of Guinness. About 8 o'clock, we'll wander into Slattery's for gin and tonic, whiskey, and there's an option for a meal there if you want it as well. And then about 9:30, we'll be petering on over to Piper's Corner for a bit of live Irish trad. Capel Street, my friends, was voted in the year 2022 the 22nd coolest street on planet Earth. Yes. Yes, my friends, yes indeed. A smattering of applause there for Capel Street. I think it was pedestrianised after COVID, so...
Yeah, because you can't do it.
I can't do it. I did. We're out one time. So you must have switched my family as well. I don't remember how I did it.
You two learned Irish today on the tour.
You did, yeah. Fluent.
I should have tested your knowledge. When they're toasting a drink. Skål, everybody!
Cool.
Skål! Skål, everybody. Good luck, everybody.
India.
The Dutch. They truly follow that. Enough. And how many dollars is it? Actually, question about this today. I can't believe that they don't secretly drink alcohol. I would have thought, you know that kind of way.
Yeah.
That's totally human nature to give in. Brandon Mullins. Brandon Mullins or Brandon Mullins? When you're drinking Guinness, you want to get into the black stuff, so you're gonna have a white mustache in your face. You know, you don't just sip from the white mouth in there.
Thank you.
Thank you.
And you think the football, we'll eat the food, and then the gin and tonic. We'll bring gin and tonic out, we'll drink that. We'll be here for about 90 minutes or so. Slattery's, guys, used to be a well-known 80s, 90s, and 2000s. Bands played in Slattery's before they were famous, and some of them went on to become successful. U2 played here, Sinead O'Connor played here, Thin Lizzy played here. Loads of bands played.
Yeah.
But I think a lot of Westerners have a complacency or like a clearly we're better and all this.
Oh, do we think that? Well, I think we are. Yeah. I think that's what shall we?
You may not have heard of row, but something happened in Ireland in the 1840s and 50s in Ireland which affected...
We'll do this to commemorate the end of World War II. So it's different.
Okay.
Okay.
Yeah.
Here is Genever. The original, well, sorry, this is gin. The original word for gin was Genever. Genever, my friends, she had 39 calves, and it says here on the back of the bottle, to immortalize her memory, we have...
Good morning from Dublin. I am a converted Guinness drinker. It's so nice here, so good. I'll just like to say, last night that beer pub walking tour we done was amazing. You need to do that if you come here. The guy was great. I think his name was Greg. I'll check with Sean. There's so many different people on that tour last night. It was brilliant. Colombians, Brazilians, Australians, New Zealand. There was a guy from Michigan, and it was over 4 hours, and you got your little beers, you got a Guinness, we had a whiskey taste, we had all kinds really. So where was I? It was called Dublin Out of the Tourist Path Pub Tour and Tastings with a local, and his name was Rob, and he was really nice. We can recommend it. It was well worth it. It was 63 UK pounds, just over for both of us, and that included, as you've seen in the review, quite a few little beers, wasn't it? They weren't full pints, and then we had a Guinness, and then we had a gin and tonic and a whiskey, and then the last pub we all ordered food, which you have to pay for. But it was over 4 hours, and it was a really good way of meeting different people from all over the world. Yeah. So we're just off out now for breakfast. We'll probably go to the same place we did yesterday, but we'll see. Let's go. Checkout was fast, and they are holding our bags for us. The breakfast actually looks okay, but we're going to go to our little place we went yesterday probably. That wind's icy, isn't it?